Hello friends, welcome to my channel Astro Tyagi. In this video, we will discuss the astrological predictions of fluctuations in prices of gold and silver in COMEX MCX during the period of 3rd to 7th of August 2020. Many viewers of my previous videos on gold and silver informed me through email, WhatsApp and other mediums that the graphs which I presented were quite accurate, which is a matter of great pleasure to me. However, I would like to make it clear that everything that I present in this video and I speak about has only astrological basis and nothing else. This video is only for educational purposes. Do not invest in gold and silver or other commodities based on the views presented in this video or the graphs shown in this video. Please take assistance of your financial advisor or technical analyst in this regard. So first we will deal with the astrological predictions on fluctuations in prices of gold and then we will move to silver. So friends, let us see how prices would behave on the first day of the week, that is on 3rd of August. Here is the graph and this graph will show how the momentum of gold would be on 3rd of August in COMEX MCX. Please note that the timings shown on the horizontal axis of this graph and of all the other graphs which I show in this video are my local Indian time. You have to use Google in order to convert them to EDT or GMT. Also, I request you to ignore the units which are mentioned on the vertical axis. These are only for my calculations. However, these units can give you the idea of extent of momentum in prices of gold and silver. So the graph of 3rd August is pretty simple. Up to 10 AM Indian time, the prices of gold seem to lose momentum. Between 10 AM to 1 PM, the prices of gold can see a rise. How much would this rise be, or how much fall is stopped, or the fall which is seen till 10 AM is controlled and a rise is seen in this period? It has to be observed from the market conditions. Then from 1 PM to 7 PM there is a small fall in the prices of gold. So it can be broadly said that during 1 PM to 7 PM the prices of gold would not rise much in COMEX MCX. After 7 PM you can see that the fluctuation shows a rise, then fall, then a rise and then a fall. So it can so happen that the falling may temporarily stop after 7 PM and then it may continue, and then it may further stop and then it may continue. Or as I have previously said, the rise and fall have to be judged according to the market conditions prevailing on the particular day. Broadly, for 3rd of August, it can be said that the prices of gold should not at least rise on this day by the time the market closes. The prices of gold may not fall much, but at least they would not rise to a great extent as we have seen over past some weeks. So in case someone is looking to buy gold on 3rd of August, in my opinion, a purchase can be made from 1 PM to 7 PM whenever the market is lower and the momentum of fall in prices is higher. Momentum in prices of fall is higher means the prices would fall sharply. Now let us move to the chart of 4th of August 2020. Here on your screen, you can see the chart of 4th August 2020. This chart clearly shows that the prices of gold will see a rise on 4th of August 2020. How much the rise would be, how many resistance level gold breaks on this day has to be seen from the market conditions prevailing on 4th of August 2020. It may so happen that on this particular date, gold may breach the $2,000 mark in COMEX MCX. Without going into details and prices of gold for this particular day, this graph clearly shows that the fluctuations on this day would lead to increase in the prices of gold. This graph shows that till 12 PM Indian time, that is 12 noon Indian time, the prices may not remain constant, but the rise may be checked, as you can see that after about 12 noon, the rise is not as it was prevailing before that. And then in evening after 6 or 7 PM, there may be a more steeper rise in prices of gold, but on 4th of August, the gold prices should see a rise. Now let us move to see fluctuations in the prices of gold on 5th of August 2020. Here is the chart on your screen. This graph shows that after an initial fall in prices or control in the rise in prices, the prices can again see a rise till about 10-11 am Indian time, and after that the rise in price would be controlled and market may even see a fall in prices after that, as you can see in the graph. Now let's move to see fluctuations in prices of gold on 6th of August 2020. On your screen you can see the chart, that is graph of 6th of August 2020. The graph on 6th of August is quite fluctuating, as you can see. From Indian morning to about 11 am, there can be a rise, and after that there can be a steep fall in the prices of gold, or the rise can be controlled or rise would be limited. In case there is a still rise after that time, after that fall you can see there are again fluctuations, rises and falls. Rises also show the slowing down in fall, and the falls also show that the rise may be controlled. So you have to judge all this according to the market conditions prevailing on that particular date. This graph only shows momentum. This momentum is based on many astrological combinations, so this momentum can be accurate, but the actual prices, actual rise and actual fall would be prevalent from the existing market conditions only. Now let us move to the final day of the week and see how would gold prices behave on the final day, that is on Friday, 7th of August 2020. Let me present the graph of that day on your screen. You can see the graph of 7th of August 2020. A simple perusal of this graph will show that from 6 am to 6 pm there would not be a rise in momentum of gold prices on this day. A spike is definitely seen around 1 pm. It can be 12:30 pm or 1:30 pm accordingly. So don't take it as a hard and fast rule of the graph. After 6 pm the fall will be controlled, and there can even be a rise in gold prices on the final day. Now I will show you the weekly graph of 1st to 7th of August. 1st and 2nd August were weekends and hence were holidays. Market was closed on those days. But since planetary motions do not cease to exist on holidays, I have shown graphs of those days too. Since gold opened higher today, these graphs are indicator of why gold prices were higher on today's opening than the closing on Friday. Let us see that graph. On your screen I have presented the graph of 1st to 7th of August. Basically the caption shows 3 to 7 August. But in the graph you can see 1st and 2nd also. This graph also confirms that on 4th and after the evening of 7th of August the prices of gold would see a rise or a drop in fall. Now dear friends, let us move to the fluctuations in the prices of silver for the period 3 to 7th of August 2020. Just like gold, we will see the prices of silver for 3rd of August first. Let me present the graph on your screen. Here you can see the graph of silver. Here you can see the graph of 3rd of August, and just like gold, it shows a fall or controlled rise till 10 am Indian time. After that there can be an increased rise or a steep rise in prices. After Indian evening, just like gold, you can see fluctuations as the market closes. Now let us move to the graph of 4th of August. Here on your screen you can see the graph of 4th of August 2020. After 7 am Indian time, it shows an increase in prices of silver. If you remember, the graph of gold for 4th of August also shows increase in prices of gold. So basically we can conclude that the prices of silver and gold may see a fall or not much rise on 3rd of August, whereas on 4th of August they would see a rise. Now let us move to the prices of silver for 5th of August 2020. Let me present the graph. Here on your screen you can see the graph for 5th of August 2020. Silver prices can see an increase or at least cannot fall till about 11 am. You can also take it as 10 am Indian time. After that, just like gold, the prices can see a fall till 7 p.m. Indian time. And after that, the fluctuation in momentum of silver prices can be according to this graph. Now let's see the graph of 6th of August 2020. Here on your screen I have presented the graph. The graph of 6th of August is quite interesting, and the fluctuations in prices on this day will tell you how accurate the graphs which I present are. Just like gold, which shows a steep rise somewhere in between the graph, the prices of silver should fall on this particular day, or at least they would not rise till Indian evening. So in case you made a transaction of selling silver at higher price, in the evening you can try buying it at a lower price to cancel that out. But this graph shows that after Indian evening there can be a rise in prices of silver. How much would this rise be would be evident from the market prevailing on that day. Please observe the market. Now let us move to the final date of the week for silver, 7th of August 2020, and see how the graph of silver would be for this day. Here on your screen you can see the graph. Okay, the momentum shown in this graph indicates that one will have to observe the prices of silver during the whole day, but the momentum of rise and fall in the prices would be according to this graph only, should be according to this graph only. There can be slight haywardness in the matter of time, but rise and fall should be matched with this graph. From Indian 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. there can be a fall in the prices of silver, or you can say the rise can be controlled. After 6 p.m. however, the prices can bounce back and silver may rise, or the fall can be controlled after 6 p.m. as evident in the graph. Before leaving, let us see the graph of silver for whole week from 1st to 7th of August. The caption will show 3 to 7, but the graph also presents the variations for 1st and 2nd August also. I have explained the reason. The planetary motions do not cease to exist for those particular days. Let me toggle to the weekly graph. Here you can see it. There would be rise on 4th and till midday on 5th, Indian midday you can say. The weekly graphs of silver as well as gold for this period show that 7th can be a highly fluctuating period for gold as well as silver. So this was all in this video. Friends, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel Astro Tyagi. Please share my videos in the groups you are a member of. Please recommend my videos to your friends who trade in gold and silver. If you want to give any suggestion, please drop it in comments of this video or email me at astrotyagi@gmail.com. You can also send me WhatsApp at +91 99 111 95522. Press the bell icon on my channel so that you get notifications of my video as soon as I upload them. So friends, I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Namaste.